Looking for a powerful, compact tool that does it all? Meet the mini handheld powerful metal processing pulling concrete nail gun. This mini steel nail gun is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. From piercing through metal to tackling tough concrete walls, it delivers unmatched precision and strength. Need to anchor line slotting? No problem. With its multifunctional rivet tool design, it's built for versatility and durability. Lightweight yet robust, this tool is perfect for home improvements, construction projects, and more. Get ready to save time and effort with this mini powerhouse. Grab yours today and experience the future of smart tools. Don't miss out, click the link below and upgrade your toolbox now.